Hi guys, this is 2011 Jeep Cherokee. We are going to do change the heater core. So this one is badly leaking for the heater in the water. So we have to pull out the dash first, then have to remove the heater core. So we off the dash front and then assemble. So after that we have to remove the steering wheel, this side, and completely off the passenger side, the door trims. So then we have to this cover for the steering wheel to take it out. Okay. So you can see the leak in here, the heater core. So we have to off the the heater lines, and I off the AC, the pipe. So we going to off the heater core. So we going to take it out the heater core. So we can find the leak in damage. So we got the new part in here. This is the old one. You have to put back the new one into the heater core. So we have two O-ring in the heater core. It's going like this way. And get into clips. So we installed the new heater core assembly. So we installed the dash, and we have to put back all the trim covers. So we finally installed halfway of the dashboard. Installed the meter board, the airbag system. All good. So we have to tie this 10mm bolt in here, some special lock. Okay guys, we came to the final step. We have to tighten here the AC TX valve. This is the one. Then we have to the tight for the cooler hose in here. So we then after have to put the coolant in the system, because no any water in the system. We already undo that the heater core connectors wire. We have to put in the coolant. So this is the end of the video. So we see you in the next one. Thanks.